Hey, welcome to this channel. I've just finished another great trading session with binary options on Quotex. If you want to find out the result I got starting from just 50 bucks, then watch this video till the end. And we're starting right now. My name is Oliver. Let's go. Hey guys, so I'm gonna start today with $50 and see where this gets us. Let's go with the first option. I can see that we got into a zone of interest there. Let's see this one. How about, okay, this is not bad, right? So what we see here is that an indication. I'm gonna go into the long. So both of the indicators are showing kind of a similar situation. You see, the Williams right now is looking down, but we have a moving average that is acting a bit like a support in this case, and I think also the dotted line of a parabolic SAR. So although the Williams is down, it's gonna go back up, I think, as more likely we get to this support levels and they're gonna push us back up. So but let's wait for the result of this and then continue. Oh, here we have the first profit from this option, 96 bucks. We're gonna put that toward the next option. Let's jump straight away to the next one. Choose a currency, this one, the next one in the list, and let's see, we are bouncing off this support level, similar situation, but yeah, we're gonna go into the long. I hope we can break through this moving average, because here it's actually acting as a resisting level, but I think the support is quite strong there. And yeah, we're in the zone where the buyer comes, so I think we're gonna break through that. Let's wait for the result of this and continue. Here we have the second profit and 90% payout, guys. So it's growing very much exponentially, as you can see. Let's put that all the entire balance towards the next option and keep pushing this exponential growth. So let's go, let's move on to the next option. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, because this helps to the channel enormously. And also, as you can see, I'm working on the Quotex platform, and you can find the link to it in the description. Guys, see this situation here. We're about to break through this zone of interest, which is excuse me, the zone of the overvalue of the active, of the asset. So we're about to break through the SMA, the moving average, and parabolic SAR, because here the seller comes. This is vice versa. This is opposite situation. Usually you would think that we have some support from those lines, but then we are in the zone that is overvalued, overbought. So, and this is the moment where the seller comes to recollect his, hers, theirs profits. So, and as you can see, that's exactly what's happening. We see a nice absorption by bears, and there we are in this frame, not time frame, but yeah, in this zone, and we profited from this situation exactly. So nice profit already. We're gonna keep going with it. We're gonna keep pushing. We're gonna use the 300, whatever we have there, 349. We're gonna put that towards the next option, And by the way, guys, if you are unfamiliar with some of the terms or indications, and what I'm calling sounds not familiar to you, about levels, about the indicators, the supports and resistances and whatnot, absorption, then definitely check out the description to this video, because there I leave an invitation link for you guys to join the group in Telegram that me and my team have, and share years of experience with you that you can learn there and apply it to your own experiences. And without further ado, let's move on. 349 in the investment box, and let's move on. What we have here, wow, that's really similar situation. It's also in the, but I think we have time still for a little bit of a bullish mood. Wow, those bulls are crazy. Let's do that. Let's go with the call option here, and see what's happening. We broke through the support levels here, and then went back up. So there is a kind of, so it broke through. First it was the support level, and then it became the resistance level. So this impulse broke through it and keeps at it so far. So maybe we have a chance on this. Otherwise, in a few minutes, I think I would go again with the put option, because again, we're in the zone of interest and it will start falling. The price will start falling down. Let's wait for the result of this option and continue. Here is the result, and it's positive, and we continue 670, and let's put that towards the next option and keep that compound percent work. Okay, 670 in, and choose the next currency. Boom, which one is the percent for us? Sometimes the percentage moves. You need to keep an eye on that, because sometimes its difference is like 10-15%, and that's huge difference. So yeah, keep an eye on the payout percentages. And we're gonna go with the 670 1 minute time and choose this 92%, for example. Stop here. Right. A strong downtrend. I think it's gonna continue for now, and I think, yeah, well, let's just go with the indications. I think we're good. And yeah, let's wait for the result of this and continue. And here it is. We're in the 4 numbers here, 4 figures, and that's pretty good for us. We're gonna keep pushing a bit more. So the next one we can make is 1200, which is amazing considering we started with just 50 bucks. We're gonna keep using the entirety of the balance. It's only happening because of the compound percentage. Don't take me wrong, if you don't do this, it's gonna be a much longer time, but you can still do that if that's your strategy. Here I'm trying to make this dynamic, I'm trying to make this interesting, and it's worth risking a bit more for this, because what you can do is you can learn from those videos is the decision making, not the exact numbers, and don't expect the same numbers, etc. I just made this put option here, and there was, as you can see, there was a strong bullish impulse there, which was the buyer coming, and you can also see that this last few candles is the absorption by the seller. So as soon as the buyer came, the price went up. The people started cashing in their profits, which is absorbing the amount that was bought. This selling amount is absorbing that amount. Basically, that's, if that makes sense, guys. I'm trying to explain it, but yeah, that's what's happening. And as I was saying, you can use. Wow, there we are. We're in. This is a profit from this option. You can use the decision making here to understand the market, but basically, yeah, you need to create your own strategies, and for that, don't forget that there's this Telegram group where you can learn all you need. The invitation link is in the description to this video. Let's move on. 2.3 is the amount we can place towards the next option, and we're going to do that exactly. What we see here is a downtrend, and we can see some I'm gonna go with a put option, because see, this accumulation of the candles and pin bars, actually we have a pin bar also pointing up, and that's usually an indication that the next candle is going to go down. That works quite a lot. That actually happens, so that's a nice one with the pin bar. But generally, I think we're still good for this downtrend. It will it will go back up though. The thing is, you know what's gonna happen usually, but to know when exactly is this going to happen, that's the question. Guys, we have a profit from this one, and it's the biggest so far, as you can see. I love how it grows just amazingly, exponentially fast. You see 92% payout from the bigger the amount you place is obviously the bigger the profit you're gonna get. This is the idea with the strategy by compound percentage. Okay, let's place in 1500. We can make the full balance. I'm gonna make 3 options of 1500, which is gonna make 4500. And as you can see, some nice bullish mood going on, and we are just entered into the SAR and SMA they both looking up, so that's a good indication. I think here is quite easy to make the decision, because everything is for the long basically, and this huge impulse, and the SAR, the SMA, the Williams actually is showing that we're in the zone of being overbought again. We're in this zone of interest, but it had entered there not long ago. Wow, as you can see, we just had profit from the 3 options, and I'm not sure for how long it might stay there, but I think that it's place 3. That for now it's staying there for now until the seller comes, until the absorption of the seller. Right. For the next one, we're gonna choose the next victim, the next currency. I usually change the currencies, as you notice. If you don't know why I do that, because the because the same asset, you need to wait for quite a bit of time until you get a perfect chance. And sometimes, but by changing, sometimes you just change the currency, and there it is. You see it straight away. This is a moment. Here, for example, right, we're going through with this downtrend for quite a while. Look at how long it's spent. Let's just change this to a minute. How long it's spent in the zone of interest below the like the middle channel. And by the look, I think is gonna shoot out this time. That's a long time. So here with the intuition, I'm just gonna enter into this 6K option for 2 minutes, and I think, and obviously 2 minutes is enough time for it to see it go, to see the change. I think it's gonna shoot out of this zone of being oversold, devalued, and etc. So let's wait for the result and continue. And here it is, guys, the profit for this option. Wow, we're in the 5 figures here, as you can see. We're gonna stop here. I hope you enjoyed this. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you all next time. All the best. Goodbye.